Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dan and this is my life. And this series is a build on a house that me and my wife purchased when we first got married about 13 years ago, right before the real estate market crashed. And we are now in the process of renovating that house because the market values are finally coming back up and we can sell the house. It is a little outdated, as you can see. It was built in the 1950s and we are currently renovating the house. We just finished the second bathroom and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks, bye.